Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for today's video. This is the last video of the CSV series, and it's going to be super short, super sweet. And here it just shows you how to just reviews on how to actually create and register your own dialect. Okay. Why would you need to do something like this? Well, if you get this really kludgy CSV file, what do I mean by kludgy? Kludgy is a word that we used to use way back in the 1990s, 1980s when we were programming with mainframe computers. We had to deal with a lot of these Fortran frickin' programmers where it just doesn't make sense. That's what kludgy means. Okay, so this is just this is the command that you would use, and in this example, for some reason, they decide to use this as the delimiter. Okay, because you could use any character as a delimiter on your file. Okay. In this case, it shows you like something weird. You know, who would put that in there? I don't know. Maybe an old Fortran programmer. All right, so this is just reviews on what you need to do that, and then I guess here you would read with it. Oh no, look, this is some sort of an error message. Okay, so if you have I guess doesn't give us any text to go along with it. I suppose this would pop up if you you had some sort of a mismatch with the delimiter. Hey, here's some text. Let's read this. Maybe this will help tell us what this error message does.
And while the module doesn't directly support parsing strings, it can easily be done. Import CSV.
All right, so it's parsing strings. Huh. This I didn't make it. Just okay. We open the file. We read the file. Then we start stepping through the rows, and then something happens with the file number. I don't know what that is. We'd have to go look at that, and we're not going to do that for this video. All right, and there you go. All right, well, with that, we're done with the CSVs, and now it's time to move on to the Django series, and we'll see you there. All right? All right.